Hi, Morals. Or one. High five. Mm-hmm. Notification gang. Wagwan. Just a test out the live and I see wagwan, you know. Anybody chill today. Yeah, man. Wagwan Glen. I run a test. I see wagwan. You know them way there. Yeah. Appreciate it, man. I appreciate you checking in. Even though not now go on. Yeah, me there one while me just I feel like touching on the outside and turn around this. Jesus Christ, man, I don't know if you use it. One while me have to touch out on the outside, get look fresh air car. Then me just lock up in the house and work. So I don't even know by the time me look 12 o'clock, by the time me look 3 o'clock, by the time me look 5 o'clock, me like shit. Son, see me face. Capitalize over there. So yeah. Blood clot. Yeah, but everything good still, you know. Blood clot. So you don't know, say, me not like the live, yeah. The live, you not enough filter. Not gonna work. It's not going to work to blood clot. I know. I just get used to it. Me not telling a lie. I get used to the filter thing. It come like it does not feel right without it. And I see Instagram live a filter, alright? You see all you know. You not let me be great. All the things I feel there, so I already understand it yet, but go on. Yeah, I get used to that still. You say we just a test it out and things, so eventually, you know, I go. That me I say, that's YouTube, man. I don't know. But that's a good thing still. Nice to see, say, me remember how me look to Ross Clark. I mean, I remember say, how me look to blood clot. Mm, scary, man. Never ready. Oi, come here. A real thing, a reality, like seriously. Me not know if people sometimes remember how they look for real when them post on social media. Cause everybody just always a filter up on them thing there. It can be a good or a bad thing, but you know, like so you go more while. We only have grass, yeah, cow. Hmm? It here. Me I tell you. Me I tell you, them sorry, them could wear it out in public. The day when that come, you know I go trouble. Mm. But it's come like you probably can only work on the outside when the sun a shine. 'Cause if you go inside and no light not dip on your face, you know it's a problem. Halloween back at it again. Oh, see you. See you. Yeah, that would be nice, but why? Right now, the studio would that be good? But we would even get to use it because right now we have a video supposed to drop all long. And to be honest, me I tell you the truth, the time I beat me wicked. Me not have time for that. They feel like deal with that video there from them time that I tell you about. Up to now. Wagwan Jamaican Mix Master. Morris Wagwan, yeah. Pick up yourself with the good things them. Strong back on them thing there, guys. For all the persons who are on the live, if you have trouble with your back and all that stuff, you know, you need to be have a lot of more stamina in bed and all that stuff. Go on over to the Jamaican Mix Master. He have the remedy for the good things them. Yes, all the juices and all of that natural good stuff. Very convenient, very cost friendly, and one last one them thing there. Yeah. It will hook you up, may I tell you. Stamina and them something. Yeah. Stay longer. You can't feel like 2020 moving on to 2021, you know. So you know where you go. No, you can't feel. You have to steady. Oh, come here. Yeah. So that is what is happening. Pick up yourself. And also, everybody go and check out Journey to Glen. You know, over on page channel, very buzzy, very entertaining. And we'll cover a lot of stuff where it comes on to transgender in educate even me too, because certain things I never really know. And certain things I don't like you go out a search for them things up on the internet. But if you watch a person video and they come up, it's good to learn about it that way there. So very informative and all of the things them solid are facts. So if you are anyone you know, I go through the whole transgender stage, FTM and all of them things there. They can go on over and join the channel and you know, each one help one share because in this life, knowledge is power. You need to know about these things. Even if you yourself now go through it, it's good for know because you don't know when you might meet somebody or a family member and them thing they who need to be informed and go about it the wrong way. So it's always good for know so you don't know when the time they come, you got that luck. Mhm. But yeah, I'm like the life working good and me and this body are chill, right? No, my body fuck. Yeah, so no problem, fam. Bless up yourself, you know, we're there. Big up on yourself. And guys, let us save this because it's been a while since I upload a video. And I'm like it a break up. Been a while since I upload a video and I haven't been as consistent as I should. As you know, we have the Femi Energy clothing line, clothing brand. We are launching it. And right now we are creating so much other things, other wears. And Female Energy Clothing brand is basically it's a clothing brand. We make clothes. Everything we make from start to finish, make from scratch, all custom made and them thing there. So, you know, so that take time. So coming 2021, we'll be coming to Jamaica and we'll be having a model casting call for 18 years and older, male and female. We have a one. So if you or anyone you know who would like to be, who would be interested in that, just send us a message on Instagram, the Femi Energy page, or you can just follow me, connect with me at Tami Shae. The link to that page is in my bio. And if you send a face shot, a full body shot, front and back, and then we will contact you at the end of December if you are selected or not, you know. But yeah, that is what is going on, guys. Thank you so much for being patient with me and everything. We do appreciate your support. Remember, we just hit 1,000 subscribers. Guys, bless up on yourself. I can thank you enough. And yeah, peace out. See you soon. And how I end this.